Hey food nerds! So, today is gonna be a fun day because it's another tasting box from Try the World. And I'm super excited because it's one of my favorite cuisines ever. Today we're doing the India box, which is this! Look at that beautiful box they have. It's so pretty. Alright, so without further ado, let's open it. This is why I love Indian cuisine or Indian stuff in general, because like, you could smell it. I could smell the spices already. Greetings! Hi there! We're Ben and Jody, two of the box managers here to Try the World. We've traveled to India to find the country's best foods to put into your box. Oh man, where to start? What is this? Dun, 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 dun. This box was put together by Chef Hemant Mathur in New York City. He is behind some of the most highly regarded Indian restaurants in New York, including the Michelin-starred restaurant Tulsi. And today, the very first on our list is the Masala Blend. India's cuisine is synonymous with spices, and this blend features some of the country's customary seasonings. Ooh, I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. Yeah, there's definitely like turmeric, and I could see caraway. I could see some of the cumin. Coriander? I want to get to a point that I can make my own masala blend. We'll get to that someday. There's so many things I want to learn in life, and Indian cuisine is probably one of the top cuisines that I really want to like immerse into. But first, I gotta get connected to my roots. And next on our list is Clyde Road Chauhan Blend, typical Delhi masala chai. So this is masala chai. This masala chai is made with ginger, cinnamon, cardamom, and fennel. Named after the founder's childhood address in New Delhi, number 3 Clyde Road. Number 3 Clyde Road is a tea atelier that scours the country to find the perfect ingredients for their premium blend of teas. And I want to smell it. Oh god, it's delightful. Next on our list, date tamarind sauce. I want to try it. I love dates and I love tamarind. In the Philippines, we use tamarinds a lot as well. We use it as souring agent, and I love like tamarind chutney, so I'm expecting it to be just like that. Tangy, versatile sauce with a flavor. Tangy and versatile sauce that adds zest and flavor to a wide range of dishes. Oh, I didn't know India is the world's largest producer of tamarind. That's delightful. It's like sweet and very like tangy, like sour kind of like gets you here. And has a little like heat on the way down too. This would definitely taste great with like garlic naan and like rice, and oh man. And the next one we have, they don't really have things that I have like snacky things that I can try in this box, but there's a lot of like things that I can cook, which I'm really excited about. They also have the dosa mix. Dun, dun. We can make dosas! I'm super excited about as well. If you haven't had dosas before, they're basically like an Indian pancake, but they're like really thin. Also, of course, you cannot have an India box without basmati rice. I mean, I'm Filipino and I love short grain rice, the sticky ones, but for some reason, Indian cuisine just tastes great with basmati rice. Like, it's the perfect rice for it. Ooh! This one is Chauhan Pop tea. Chauhan Pop tea. Originally from the city of Nagpur and now popular all over India, Chauhan Pop tea is traditionally served as an appetizer made with sugar, cardamom. These treats are flaky, sweet cubes that dissolve almost instantly in your mouth. That sounds beautiful. Flaky is probably one of my favorite textures, and dissolving in my mouth is also a favorite sensation of mine. I'm just gonna use my Filipino can openers. Ooh. I like the packaging. It's like a little Tupperware. I can see how flaky it is already. Oh, and it's soft. Oh my god, okay. I'm just gonna take a tiny little piece. I don't know. This is kind of cool. I was expecting it to be like crunchy almost, but it's like really soft and almost like shredded. That's like a very flaky polvoron. It almost feels like the fibers of like fine cotton candy. As soon as you put it in your mouth, it just like melts. but it has this like powdery texture to it for some reason. So that's why I said it's like a flaky polvoron. And if you haven't had polvoron before, it's basically like powdered milk and sugar kind of like compressed together, and it's beautiful. And my dog is crying because I don't know why. That was really good. I really like that one. And next one is roasted chana, and this one is basically roasted chickpeas. And chana, if you don't know what chana is, it's chickpeas. Ooh, this is like a TV snack thing, you know, popcorn or corn nuts. This is it. This is her. And of course, it has like spices into it. And let's see what's in this. Smoky. Almost like cumin. Oh, it just says traditional Indian spices. So I could taste cumin, a little turmeric in there. Oh man, this will disappear if I'm watching a show. Have you ever heard like those green pea snacks? Kind of like that, but has a little bit more of a mushy touch to it when you bite it. Last but not least in our list is Hari Chutney. Started by 3 friends in 2011. Pico set out to create Bombay style sauce that would make it easy for Indian flavors almost into any meal. That would make it... My mouth is faster than my brain. Or is it the other way around? It has a little heat to it. I love it. Yeah, it's very ginger forward, and the chili kind of like immediately kicks in. I really like this. It's odd because it tastes kind of Mexican, but distinctively Indian at the same time. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have in this box. And I'm not disappointed because I got a lot of snacks and a lot of foods that I can cook. So I hope you enjoyed this tasting, and go ahead and check out the links down below about Try the World and their amazing stuff. Ooh, sorry. Go check out the link down below for Try the World and their amazing stuff. And as per usual, I will see you guys soon. Bye!